Now let's go to the 8th stage. If you move the mouse pointer over WXG while the corresponding phase is represented by the big moon, the small moon belonging to the previous phase, FQM, should become invisible and the small moon belonging to the next phase, FM, should also be visible. Also, the name of this stage should be displayed as waxing gibbous. I drag an if code block under controls. Click on the world and drag the mouse is over code block to the desired location to give the condition here. Here, WXG is given. The frame of the moon sprite needs to be adjusted. So I drag a sprite.setFrame code block like this. Let's give moon as the sprite here. This stage is shown in the 30th frame. So number 30 is given here. Meanwhile, the FQM belonging to the previous stage becomes invisible and the FM belonging to the next stage should also be visible. So let's drag two sprite.visible code blocks in the sprite section. Give FQM here and give 0 here. Next, let's give FM to the block and give 1 here. Now because we want to display the text, click on the drawing and drag a text code block here. Let's give the text as waxing gibbous in inverted commas and give the position as 10 and 20. Since this event needs to be repeated and cycled again, I will provide the code for moving the mouse pointer to the first small moon called FM. I click on control one more time and drag an if code block here. As the condition of the if code block, let's drag the mouse is over code block under world. Here I give FM. Because we want to make the button visible, drag a sprite.visible code block here. Let's give button here and give 1 here. Among the frames of the moon sprite at this time, the frame showing the full moon should be displayed. I click sprites again and drag a sprite.setFrame code block here. Instead of sprite, let's give moon. Here I give 0. Also, while moving the mouse pointer over another small moon, the next phase should not be displayed and it should be stopped at this phase. For that, drag a sprite.pose code block under sprites and give moon as a sprite. Here, the next small moon should be visible. Next, click sprites again and drag a sprite.visible code block. Give WNG as the sprite and type 1 here. Drag another sprite.visible code block and give WXG instead of sprite. Here I give 0. Next, drag a text code block under the drawing. As the text in inverted commas, the name of this phase is given as full moon and here it is set as 10 and 20.